The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. A shepherd boy used to look after his master's sheep. A naughty idea came to his mind. He yelled, "Wolf! There's a wolf!" The villagers were surprised. Quickly, they ran over to the pasture to help him. They came with their sticks and other hard tools. But there was no wolf. The boy rolled on the pasture with laughter. They went back, saying that the young boy was ignorant. After a few days, the boy decided to play his trick again on the villagers. The villagers ran to help him, but only found that they were befooled again. The boy said that he mistook a dog for a wolf. "Naughty boy," the villagers said, and went back. A few days later, when the boy was grazing his sheep, he heard a growl. It was really a wolf. Horrified, the boy ran across the pasture and shouted to the villagers, "Wolf! Wolf! It's a real wolf!" When the villagers heard the shepherd boy shouting, they didn't trust him and laughed. "Ah, he's fooling around again," they said to one another. Scared, the shepherd boy ran away to save his life. He went home crying as the wolf had killed many of his sheep. Since the boy lied twice, none believed in him when he was actually in danger. Moral of the story: liars are not believed even when they speak the truth.